Today I am reviewing the Sonos Era 100. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what makes the Sonos Era 100 stand out: its sound performance. Powered by a next-generation processor that is 47% faster than its predecessors, this speaker features a sophisticated dual-tweeter acoustic architecture. This setup produces detailed stereo separation, meaning you get a rich, immersive listening experience with clear highs and well-defined spatial sound. Complementing this is a 25% larger midwoofer that delivers deeper, fuller bass. So whether you're listening to classical music, hip-hop, or your favorite podcast, the Era 100 fills the room with vibrant, balanced sound. One of the great things about the Era 100 is its size and design. It's compact and elegant, making it easy to place anywhere in your home, be it your bookshelf, kitchen counter, desk, or nightstand. The sleek black finish adds a modern touch that blends well with any decor, so you don't have to compromise style for functionality. When it comes to connectivity, Sonos keeps it simple yet versatile. The speaker connects seamlessly over Wi-Fi, allowing you to stream music from all your favorite services like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and many others. For those who prefer Bluetooth, the Era 100 also supports Bluetooth pairing with just a press of a button. This means you can easily connect your phone, tablet, or any Bluetooth-enabled device whenever you want. Additionally, for vinyl enthusiasts or those with other audio sources, the Era 100 offers a unique feature. You can connect your turntable or another device using an auxiliary cable paired with the Sonos line-in adapter. This opens up a world of analog sound possibilities without compromising on convenience. Setting up the Era 100 is impressively straightforward. Once you unbox the speaker, all you need to do is plug it into power, connect it to your Wi-Fi network, and open the Sonos app on your smartphone or tablet. The intuitive app guides you through the setup process step by step, making it accessible even if you're not tech-savvy. One standout feature in the app is Sonos Trueplay tuning technology. Trueplay listens to your room's unique acoustics and automatically optimizes the speaker's equalizer settings to suit your space. This means the sound is perfectly tailored, whether your room has hardwood floors, carpets, or lots of furniture. You get the best possible audio performance every time you listen. Additionally, the Sonos Era 100 is Alexa-enabled, so you can use voice command to control music playback, adjust volume, or even manage your smart home devices. This hands-free convenience adds a futuristic touch, making the Era 100 a hub for both entertainment and smart living. In terms of everyday use, the speaker performs flawlessly. The audio stays crisp and clear, even at higher volumes, without distortion. The bass response is strong and punchy, yet never overwhelms the mids or highs, which is a tricky balance that Sonos has managed well here. In summary, the Sonos Era 100 wireless smart speaker is a fantastic blend of design, sound quality, and smart features. It's powerful enough to satisfy music lovers, versatile enough for various connectivity options, and smart enough to adapt to your environment automatically. Whether you want a high-quality speaker for your living room, bedroom, or office, the Era 100 offers an excellent package that's easy to set up and even easier to enjoy. If you want rich sound, sleek design, and smart voice control all in one compact speaker, the Sonos Era 100 should definitely be on your shortlist.